welcome back to my channel. Today we have experienced one of the bestest rainfall in the Dubai. In my 6 months tenure, I haven't seen before this such a rainfall, wherein the whole roads were flooded and a car was not just driving on the road but was sailing in these roads. Now you see our friend Mr.
He is
Leo.
having fun.
He was surfing on this water. He was having extreme fun.
Nakita mo itong datong, ay sorry. Oh my God,
This is more deep.
take video.
Yeah, video is on.
Shubham, this side,
Yes.
oh, see?
Oh my god. Look at this person. What is he doing there? Oof.
Sugar. His car is there.
Accord.
Yeah, this one he gets it. Diba yun?